Okay, welcome all. Welcome to today's session. We are on day 4. We will be covering last few important things for fundamental analysis. With that, we will be closing how to analyze the fundamental analysis. Like if you come to know about some stock, if you have some idea, if you come across some name of a stock, then how you should be going about it and what all you should be checking. So we have completed, as of now, we have completed all the topics. Sales, what is sales, how it should be improving, expenses, operational profit margin, EBITDA, ROCE, what is the importance of ROCE, how we should look at ROCE, profit after tax, ROE, PE we have gone through, profit to price to book we have understood, debt to equity ratio, importance of these things, shareholding pattern. So we have gone through all these topics and we have understood the importance. So the important part is, again, I'm trying to reiterate, is these all numbers are past numbers. We are evaluating someone's past, how he has been, and we want to invest in someone who has been consistent. So why we are learning so many numbers is, don't look at these numbers for today. We will be able to earn our money when we invest tomorrow. If we are buying the share tomorrow, then if the company is consistent performer in these areas, then only it is a high chance that it will be consistent in coming year. So the problem which people face is, they see the numbers which has happened this year only. No, this year numbers are fantastic. Nahi, usko हाथ ही मत लगाओ. Look for at least 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years, if the numbers are consistent, the growth is consistent, then the stock is high probable that it will remain consistent, because we are also checking the story of the future, how it is developing in the future. Clear? Can I have yes from all of you if this point is clear, so that we move to our next 2 points? After we complete the next 2 points, then I will share with you 5 stocks names which I want you all to analyze and see what do you have, what is your opinion about those 5 stocks. Okay, so let's go ahead. The last few topics is cash conversion cycle. Now, what is cash conversion cycle is, when I buy a material, I make that raw material, I make convert into a final product. I convert that into final product and then I sell in the market. After selling in the market, I'm getting the cash. So I invested cash now, put in the raw material, created a new product and sold in the market and got the money back. So that is a cash conversion cycle. Inventory to receiving the cash is cash conversion cycle. So this is very important thing. If you see, I'll present to you 2-3 cash conversion cycles. First, let's take, okay, cash conversion cycle for, this is for Mukka proteins. Okay, so this is for Mukka proteins. If we see the cash conversion cycle, if we scroll down the screener, here if we come in last ratio, it has given cash conversion cycles. If you see, the cash conversion cycle is increasing over the years. We don't want it to increase. Ideally, we want the cash conversion to go down. So ideally, it should be 64, 68, 75. It should be either constant or it should be going down. If it is increasing, we have to see why it is increasing. Is it because of the debtor days, that the payment from the person, if I'm selling it to someone, is he delaying the payment? If you see, yes, 2 years it was consistent, it went up the cash collection from the customer, the number of days required to collect the cash from customer, it has gone up. Inventory has gone up, and days payable. So how many days they are taking to pay to their suppliers? Days payable is supplier days. So supplier days has reduced, and payment from the customer is delayed. So supplier is asking, भैया मुझे पहले पैसे दे दो, आपने सामान उठाया, now you give me the money. I am giving it to customer. Customer is saying, okay, you have given me the material, but I'll pay you little late. So this company, from this data, debtor days is that his customers, Muka company's customer, it is giving payment late. The supplier is taking payment early. Not a very ideal condition, not a very good condition. That normally it should be reverse. सप्लायर ने कहना चाहिए कि साहब आप जब चाहो तब मुझे पैसे दे दो, कोई बात नहीं, आई वांट टू डू बिजनेस विथ यू ओनली, so I will supply material to you, don't worry, whenever you feel comfortable you give money to me. Customer should tell you, okay, I want your product, I am ready to pay in advance. That is the ideal condition, where you get payment in advance and you give to your supplier aram se. And so in this case it is going up, debtor days is going up, so conversion cycle is going down. Tina rubber, if you see cash conversion cycle, it's consistently going down. This is a very good condition. 181, 169, 74, 77, 48. Very good. Cash conversion cycle is pretty good. So as compared to Mukka Produce, though they are not in the same industry to industry. So again, we have to verify between industry and industry, it is going down. If you come to Larsen and Toubro, cash conversion cycle is negative. Negative means they are taking money in advance and giving payment later. So this is the most ideal condition we should be. I'm not saying that every business will run in negative cash conversion cycle, but cash conversion cycle negative means the person is doing business, the customer is paying him in advance, and after that he is supplying, and then after that he is paying to his supplier. This negative cash conversion cycle, the best example every one of you is experiencing. So if you are thinking, यार negative कैसे हो सकता है? So just tell me, how many of you the milk gets delivered at your home? How many of you get milk delivered at your home? Can I have yes if the milkman comes, like nowadays either Nandini or Amul or someone, it comes, right? So do they take money in advance? Do they take money in advance? Advance में ले लेते हैं, correct? No, okay, Viraj is saying okay, no, some people are saying no. So most of the cases, like if I'm having a Nandini supplier or Akshay Kalpa in Bangalore or Amul or something, if they are delivering every day, they will take money in advance. कि भाई आप थोड़ा advance में coupon ले लो, हमसे coupon purchase कर लो, and you keep the coupon there, and I'll whatever amount of coupon you are keeping, I will deliver. So what he is doing is he is taking your money in advance. So customer has already paid him. Then he is supplying the material, and then maybe then after he supplies material to you, then he is giving it to the supplier, Nandini. Okay. Okay. So few people, milk person is not taking in advance. Or you can say Amazon, right? Amazon, lot of people have cash on delivery. Lot of people pay by credit card. So Amazon, how many of you have paid by credit card? कि आपने big basket, right? Big basket is there, so they'll take money from you, deliver it, and then so they are taking money in advance. So those are negative cash conversion. Customer is paying in advance, you are supplying material, and you are paying the supplier later. बहुत ideal condition है. Not all business run like that, but everyone is getting the importance of cash conversion, right? अपना पैसा कम से कम दिन अटकना चाहिए. So our money should get stuck for less and less number of days, it should reduce. If it is reducing, then so NP is saying, my milkman asked me to give a cow in my dairy, there only dinner milk. Okay, so that is much negative cash conversion cycle. Fantastic idea. So okay, so that is how. So everyone clear what is cash conversion cycle, and there are three components to it. First is the debtor days. Here debtor days, which is the customer, how quickly he is paying. If he starts paying you quickly, that means your product is in demand. Inventory days, inventory in your stock, if it is reducing, fantastic. You are able to push out your inventory fast, whatever your material you're buying. And if you are ideally, you should not delay the payment to your supplier, but if you are able to delay a little bit more, then again it is good. So cash conversion cycle should reduce ideally. Okay, so then last but not the least, we have cash flow activities. Now, first we'll cover briefly. I'm not very big expert in cash flow, but what negative indications can come, okay, from cash flow. Cash flow, if you click here, cash flow proceeds from share. So whenever you will have IPO or subsequent public offer, the money will be reflecting here because it will be financing to the company. Proceeds from borrowing, this is the borrowing. If company is borrowing from someone, a bank or debenture, something like that, the money will reflect here in proceeds from borrowing. So if you see some money here, they can borrow consistently. It should not be very there should not be any anomaly. They will take loan in bulk and then gradually repay. So this is the repayment of the loan. So loan you will take once, repaid for 4 to 5 years, again take some loan. If they are taking loan, if you find something in loan, you can go and investigate kiske liye liya hai, why they have taken the loan. This is repayment of the borrowing, interest paid and all. This is dividend paid. Like what we discussed, dividends should be consistent. It should not be very high, very low, like that. So this is from financing activity. Investing activity, again, fixed asset purchase. If there is a huge asset purchase, again, you should investigate ये किसके लिए है, whether it is for expansion or it is for replacement. If it is for expansion, very good. Replacement of old machinery, old things, not very ideal. Then cash from operating activity, again profits we will anyway check. The receivables, anyway we have checked in the cash conversion cycle, so receivables and all, this is this thing. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of our parameters. So I'll pause here. If you have any question, you can unmute and ask before we go to our next topic. Okay, any questions so far? Gunjan is saying, I missed the last session. Gunjan, recording I'll be able to upload by next weekend only. So you will be able to watch all recordings together next Friday or Saturday. Bank ODB and indicator overdraft. Yeah. I don't know which indicator. What is the name of that indicator? Can you share the indicator name? Bank OD, is it mentioned somewhere? So Guru is asking, how will you come to know whether they are using finances for expansion or replacement? Good question. I'll answer in 1 minute. Okay. Different industries have different ideal ratios. See, it is very difficult to have what is the ideal ratio for different industries. Best to go and list down those companies, take those parameters and see कि एक average क्या चल रहा है उस company उस industry में, right? So it is very difficult to define कि इस industry में ये ideal होना चाहिए, ये industry में ये ideal होना चाहिए. Rough cut you can have, But best is जैसे in case like Tina rubber is not a very good. I don't think they have much competitors. But if you see some ratio, like if you list down, you'll come to know, okay, this is an ideal ratio. This is what is happening in this industry. So usme within that ratios, who is doing the better job? Okay, so this is how you have to like within the group, who is doing the best. So same industry, you have to make a table and then see who is doing a good job within that. Okay, so this is how you can do the analysis. Now coming to the last part. Now we have understood everything. Now if we have to see what this company is doing, what we have to do is okay. Now last is when you analyze a company, you have to as well read the financial report. So when you come down, you can read two reports. Two reports are nice. Credit ratings, there will be CRISIL will give some credit rating, they'll improve the rating, degrade the rating, they'll give some reasoning. Second is the financial report. You should click here on the financial report. If you see here, financial report, whichever is the latest will be here, or you can go to the website and get it. Financial report, it's a huge report. Like this is for L&T. So any company every year they will give a financial report, and this had lots of things in it. Best is to read the entire, at least one financial report end to end. If you are short of time कि नहीं यार इतना कौन पढ़ेगा, मुझे नींद आ जाती पढ़ते पढ़ते. So first and important thing what you should read is the chairman and managing director statement. Whoever is their chairman or managing director of that company, he will give a statement. Okay, what we did in last few years, what is our outlook, what it is going to happen. All annual reports will have that. So minimum you should go and read the statement they will be giving. Again, take it with pinch of salt. थोड़ा सा marketing भी रहेगा, थोड़ी हकीकत रहेगी, थोड़ा फसाना रहेगा. So you go and see what they're telling. So mostly it will be facts only. They'll be putting up facts. So you will come to know what is happening in the company, what is their outlook, what is the vision of the leader of that company. That will give you some conviction to invest in that company. So you read through it, then you come down, you'll understand where they are investing, what is their focus for the future. And the second thing which we have to read is this management discussion and analysis. So these two things, before you put a single rupee in any company, you should do all that analysis, sales वगैरह का जो parameter है, I have told you should be doing, and then you should open the annual report, check the chairman's what he wants to say, what he wants to convey. A good company chairman will always try to communicate with lot of data and lot of outlook for the future. अगर वो आपको avoid करना चाहते हैं, they will not give you good numbers. So a good company will have a good financial report. They will explain as if they are explaining to a new shareholder. So if it is well explained, go and buy it. Then you read the management discussion. इसमें भी they will give what is happening globally. So you one thing is you read something and then you read this, you will get much better perspective of what this company is heading to, why they are working in that direction, why they think that they have scope to grow in future. So you will also get convinced with their story. So you have to read through this. There is no escape if you want to make multi-baggers. Now here we are talking about not 10%, 20%, 10, 20%. Technical analysis से भी बन जाता है. Or within 2-3 months, you can have, let's say 3 months, you will get many setups in technical analysis, which will give you 30% in 2-3 months. और 10% तो दे ही देगा एटलीस्ट 2-3 months में 10% you will get from technical analysis. But if you want to buy and hold a stock for quite a long duration and you want to see it multiplying 100%, 200%, 300%, you have to do all this activity. Clear? Everyone okay? So far so good? Yes, no? Okay. Only one yes. Okay, great. So now coming to the stock. So this is day 4. We have completed financial report. Where to click? Okay. So if you go, let's say Tina Rubber, if you go here, Tina Rubber, if you go below, just scroll down. Here is the financial report, annual report, financial year 2023, 24. It is still not uploaded. You have to click here. It will open it. If you are unable to find here, go to their website. So this is Tina Rubber website, official website. You go to the official website of any company. So this is the official website. Then you have this page called Investor Zone, Financial Reporting, Annual Report. So in the column tab, every company's website is mandatory to have this investor zone where they have to publish the latest financial report and quarterly report. So you'll get this report here. You can download from here. So with this, we come to the end of the entire fundamental analysis. So recap, I have done many times. क्या क्या करना है? Now everyone is clear कि क्या करना है, क्यों करना है. Only thing is, all this has to be done to get the multi-bagger. 10-20% you'll get some other way also. So coming to the last slide of today, we have now before I share those names, I want one promise from everyone who is participating, because if you have spent 3-4 days coming here, joining the webinar, sitting at 9:30, after taking the name, I want you to go through their financials. Don't think I'm not giving the multi-bagger of tomorrow, or I may be giving multi-bagger of tomorrow. I don't know what kal kisne dekha hai, correct? So whatever you have learned in past 2-3 days, for last 1 week, apply all the learnings on all those stocks. Okay, you go through their sales, expenses, and everything past. Go through briefly their financial report. See how it is aligned with the growth story of India. Do you think there is a space in future for expansion? Do all the analysis. And what I want you to do is, we again meet again on Monday night. So Monday night I'll not be speaking. Monday I would like to hear from you. So we'll pick up one company, and then you have to tell 2 to 3 good points. So I would like everyone to participate on Monday and give their analysis on why do you think this company will grow in future. पास तो ठीक है, पास तो हम हर कोई पढ़ लेगा, बट आपको ये बताना है कि फ्यूचर में क्यों ग्रो करेगी. Fine, everyone okay with this task for this weekend? Yes, no? So I'll give you 5 names. You have to, over the weekend, you have to analyze as much as companies. Even if you analyze one company, that is also good. Whichever you like, you analyze. Over the weekend, whatever you have learned. On Tuesday, don't tell me कि profit growth इतना, ये past में देख लूंगा. आप मुझे future बताओ, इस company का future अच्छा है या खराब है. अच्छा है तो क्यों अच्छा है, और खराब है तो क्यों खराब है. आई एम ओपन एंड आई एम ईगर टू लिसन टू यू व्हाई इट इज not so good. This future of the company is not so good. I'm more than willing to hear that, so that you have the conviction and I also have conviction. So let's go straight away to the stock names. Just hold on. Now, just hold on 1 minute. So annual reports. So what we have done, right, on day 1 or day 2, we discussed in future, in coming future, we have renewable energy, right? We have renewable energy focus from the government. Then we have changing food habits. Then we have UPI payment, which is changing the lending market and increase spending in, especially in women. They are spending more because they are earning, they are everywhere, which is good also. They are working like almost 50% places. So these themes I have taken. If you have any other theme also in mind, you can send me a name of a company that, okay, why we don't analyze this company. So based on these themes of future, because multipackers will get in future only, these are the companies. Okay, these are the companies which I would like you all to have a look, to analyze seriously क्या चल रहा है इसमें, because not each company will be multi-bagger. We will have to pick and choose based on that. So first company is IREDA. Okay, so you can note down, take a snapshot of these companies. So first is IREDA. Second is Fusion Microfinance or Credit Access. Third is Mukta Proteins. Fourth is Dream Folks. And fifth is Tina Rubber. So today I am giving you 5 stocks. On Monday, I'll give you 5 stocks more. So I want you to analyze these 5 stocks over the weekend. Come back on Monday. We will start with IRDA. 2-3 participants can give us 2-3 bullet points why they are going to grow in future. Then we'll go to micro, then Mukka, Dream Folks, and Tina Rubber. So we'll have different views from different participants. Are we good? Everyone okay? Everyone excited to do this on Monday? Okay. Okay. So Neetu, right now it will be difficult to upload. I'll be uploading on, I'll be able to upload the recordings by next weekend or so. So I'll definitely upload once we start technical, then I'll upload the fundamental. Okay, great. So everyone has noted down the names. So with that, today we are able to close in 30 minutes. So great. If there is any questions, I'll take up questions. If no questions, we all meet on Monday and see what is everyone's opinion on these 5 stocks.
Sir, I have a question. Today the HDFC Bank, like it went down.
Correct.
So the main reason, sir, was there any fundamental this one, sir, weakness or something?
I have not analyzed it. Honestly, I also have a few shares of HDFC. As per technicals, fundamentals, it is okay. Like fundamental, there is nothing wrong. So as per technicals, as per my analysis in technical, it is poised to go up by 30%. So I'll just tell you my analysis. So I'm also a little bit surprised. So maybe in today, tomorrow, I'll come once I do some analysis.
There was a news actually on the loan growth guidance for future,
okay.
basically, and that's the
okay. So news based reaction है. तो आज गिरा है कल उठ जाएगा बाकी there is no structural this thing, because as per my analysis I'm still seeing it going up 30% in next 6 to 8 months. So let's see.
Fine, okay, sir.
Right.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलिए साहब.
सर आप थोड़ा हिंदी बोले अच्छा था सर हमारे लिए. मतलब हम तो इंग्लिश में थोड़ा वीक है सर. हिंदी में तो अच्छा मजा आता क्लास. अभी तो मजा आ रहा है, लेकिन हिंदी है तो और थोड़ा मजा आएगा सर क्लास.
मैं
हिंदी भी वर्ड यूज करिए
हिंदी में ही चालू करूंगा. एक बार मैंने पीछे चालू किया था क्लास जो पूरी सिर्फ हिंदी में ही क्लास हो, जिसमें लोग कहें कि साहब इंग्लिश में थोड़ा बोल लो, तो वो हम नहीं बोलेंगे. बट मैं हिंदी में फिर से एक बार ट्राई करता हूँ चालू करने की, क्योंकि तब मैंने चालू किया था तो 4 या 5 लोग आ रहे थे हिंदी में सुनने के लिए, तो फिर उसमें उतना नहीं हो रहा था। बट
Excuse
अगली
me,
बार
sir.
थोड़ा नेक्स्ट क्लास से थोड़ा मिक्सचर करता हूँ मैं, उसमें हिंदी इंग्लिश का मिक्सचर करके
नहीं
बोल।
नहीं
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ ओके ओके
ओके,
Sir,
हाँ सर दो दो नहीं सर इंग्लिश और हिंदी दो मिक्स करो तो और थोड़ा
ठीक है,
मजा आएगा
थोड़ा थोड़ा
मतलब
मिक्स करके बोलता
मतलब
हूँ अगली बार में। ट्राई
मतलब सर
करता
तो
हूँ,
थोड़े
डेफिनेटली ट्राई करूँगा।
हाँ ओके थैंक यू सर।
ओके ओके।
सर एक्चुअली मैं थर्ड क्लास मिस हुआ था सर यूट्यूब में, मतलब मैं थर्ड क्लास मैं थोड़ा बिजी था इसलिए मैं नहीं अटेंड हुआ सर क्लास, वो भी थोड़ा आप ये करे सर
एक थर्सडे को
अपलोड
मैं
करो।
अपलोड, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे तक ये सारा 4 क्लास में पूरा अपलोड कर दूंगा इस पे।
ओके ओके थैंक यू सर, वेरी वेरी मच थैंक यू।
राइट, थैंक यू। Okay, so yeah, we have Mrudula. You go ahead, please.
hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, actually I am from Tamil Nadu, sir. I don't know Hindi. I don't understand Hindi, sir.
no, I am doing in English only. Na, you understood what all I said,
No, yes,
correct?
sir. Now I
Ah.
understand, sir. But please don't shift the class to Hindi
No,
because I won't be able to.
no. What I was meaning was I did 2 separate classes. One in
Okay,
English,
sir.
same topic in Hindi.
Okay,
Earlier,
sir.
once I tried to do same topic in English and same topic in Hindi. So Hindi did not work that much well. I think more audience are in English. So I'll give some mixture like Hindi English mixture. So I'll say one sentence and some mixture of Hindi English so that everyone understands. So that much we'll do from next class. If more people listening Hindi will come, then we'll shift to Hindi separate, English separate. But I'll cover all topics in both languages.
Okay, sir.
Okay
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay.
Great, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Mrudula
Samir,
can go ahead.
Mrudula.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, I think even I missed in I think second session or something. So
Uh-huh.
just one request: if all these topics you mentioned, if you can just mention the list of the topics covered, the like
Uh-huh.
how cash flow, PE, just
Uh-huh.
the main headings. So we can use that as a list to analyze the 5 stocks.
So this is the list. This is the first list.
Ha. Yeah, I can take the screenshot.
Yeah. And then next page is the next list. So tab tak Nisha, yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, hello, sir. I was just trying to analyze how the one stock which is Renuka Sugars. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
when I was just going through the P/E, the P ratio is not given, and the debt to equity, that ratio is not there. So what does that mean? Like, why do they
देख लेते
do
हैं,
that?
1 मिनट देख लेते हैं। ये हो गया ना स्नैपशॉट। लेट्स गो टू रेणुका शुगर। लेट्स से okay, so PE ratio is not given, but this is an old stock. I don't know why they are not giving PE. EPS is there. See, they are not calculating here. This is negative में है. See, this earning per share is in negative, right? So PE we understood, right? Price is current market price. You will know from the stock market. You will know the current market price, and E is negative. So that's why they might not be giving the PE, because there is nothing called negative PE, right? So they might have chosen to not give it at all.
Okay, so such stocks we should avoid, isn't it?
We should avoid, because we let it turn around. See, we are not here to find turnaround stories. Better to go find established company invest. So अगर ऐसा negative में है तो better to stop analyzing also. बहुत अच्छी companies भी हैं. Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Okay. So okay. So I think more or less everything is covered. So see you all on Monday. Monday we'll go through those 5 stocks. I'll be listener. Okay. On Monday I'll be listener only. No more. I'll not talk. I would request everyone to share their analysis. Monday I'll share 5 more stocks which we can analyze. Which you people can analyze in coming days. So 10 stocks total we will have. so that you pick up the analysis from there. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining today. See you all on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.